Hi, this is Sangvi. Now I'm going to do a program on method overloading. Now we have a bookshop. Now we'll have to give the author's name, book name, and the number of copies in the first scenario. Second scenario, we'll have to just give the book name and author name, and we'll have to check the thing. Now when we go to the program, here we create a class named books. Now here int n cost and f cost. Here we give the declare variables. Here system.println, enter the name of the book, we get the input from the user, cost of the book, input from the user, and author of the book, input from the user. This is add function. Now int by books, it's another function. Here f cost is equal to n into cost and return f cost. And here int by books, we return the cost. Here void input, it's enter the customer name, enter the name of the book, enter the author name, we get all the inputs from the user, and output we just print everything. Now here in the main function, here we create an object for the class books, and books we create an array, object b for array size 4. Now int I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus, b of I is equal to new books of. Now here n we declare everything, we initialize it to 0. Now while n is not equal to 4, here we give the thing, mention the name author or mention the name and author in copies. Now here case 1, a dot input, we ask the user to enter the number of copies, and we open a for loop, and if a dot a name equals to b of I dot a name, and if a dot b name equals to b of I dot b name, then a dot f cost is equal to b of I dot by books a dot n. Now a dot output, now system.out.println, the number of copies is a dot n, and system.out.println, total cost is a dot f cost break. Now in case 2, it's the same thing again, number of copies and total cost. Now case 3, b of k dot add and k plus plus, we increment it in break. Now case 4 is break, and default is wrong option, enter the correct answer. Now when we look at the output, here, first add, we give add a book option 3. Now enter the book name, ASD, enter the cost of the book 20. Now enter the author, QWE. Now here mention the book name, author name, and number of copies, so 1. Enter the customer name, C. Now enter the book name, ASD, enter the author of the book, QWE, and enter the number of copies, 2. So here the name of the book is ASD, author is QW, number of copies is 2, so total cost is 2 into 20, that's 40. Thank you.